Hey guys, Ray back in the dungeon. Look, we found a redneck in his natural environment.
Yeah,
What's he doing? Shoving the cam in a motor.
maybe.
That's the 355 of Rob's Trans Am getting its new cam. We'll just watch and see how this is done. We just got finished putting new cam bearings in, getting the crank and everything back buttoned up. The cam and gears.
I don't know what's going on there.
That's all.
Oh,
There you go. Look at that. Looks like it was made to fit. Beautiful. Don't go too far. We got no plug in the back.
yeah, I know. Done.
Perfect. Cam's in.
Lots of
Chain
jam.
next. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.